In this lecture, we will learn the syntax of the Jython programming language. Jython allows Python to run on the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine. Essentially, there are three types of Python code: regular C-based Python, which is what most of this course teaches, Iron Python, which we learned about in the last section, and Jython, which we are learning about in this section. Before we type out any code, we need to go to www.jython.org. Then, before downloading Jython, we need to make sure that we have Java 8 or higher installed on our machine. If you don't have Java 8 or higher, please go to www.java.com and download it before continuing with this video. Okay, the next step is to download Jython. Then we will open up the jar file to start the installation process. Then we will click through each of the pages until the program installs on our machine. Once that finishes, we need to find the easyinstall.py file within the bin directory of the Jython folder and run that file. Once that finishes running, we can double-click on the jython.exe file to open it up. This will launch the Jython interpreter, where we can begin writing Jython code. Let's look at an example of using Java code from inside of a Python program. First, we will type from java.util import random. This will import Java's random library. Then we will create a variable r and set it equal to random. Finally, we will output r.nextInt. When we hit enter, notice that a random integer was printed. The library that we imported that contained the random object and nextInt method was directly from Java, but we were able to use Python syntax like the import statement, dynamically typed variable r, and no semicolons at the end of lines. This proves that we can now use Python syntax to work with Java libraries, opening up some cool possibilities that we will explore throughout the rest of this section. In the next lecture, we will learn about the types that Jython supports.